Ready?
Mm-hmm. Let go, Noah. How red his cheek is. What is that? Belly. Give it back. Let go, Noah. Let go. Woo! Yay! Yay! What are you doing? Clap! Yeah, I know. Danielle, put it on your cheek and then clap.
What?
Put it on your cheek and then clap. Noah, watch Sissy. Clap! Clap, Noah.
Now let go.
Clap! Clap! No! Figure out, he's like, you're not pulling my drawers down. What is it, Noah? Turn it off. See if he turns it on. Uh-oh. What is that? Can you say vacuum? Very good. On. Push. No, let him do it. Push. Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Noah. Whoa. Let him do it. Let him do it. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses. Aww.